Hello everyone, and welcome back to the channel. In this video, we're going to review the Dentemp Denture Reline Kit. Let's get started. If you wear dentures and they've started to feel loose, uncomfortable, or just not quite right, you might have considered trying an at-home fix. And that's exactly where the Dentemp Denture Reline Kit comes in. It's marketed as a quick and easy solution for readjusting the fit of your dentures without visiting the dentist. But how well does it actually work? After going through tons of verified customer reviews on Amazon, here's everything you need to know. What it is and what it claims to do. The Dentemp Denture Reline Kit is designed to provide a temporary soft reline for both upper and lower dentures. The idea is simple. If your dentures are getting loose or causing irritation, this kit helps create a better fit by adding a soft cushion-like layer inside the denture. It comes with enough material for 2 applications, and it's completely zinc-free, which is a big plus for safety. Performance and user feedback. As far as the actual performance goes, a large majority of users seem pretty happy with the results, especially considering the price. They mention that once the material sets, the dentures feel much more secure and comfortable. Some people even said that this kit gave them back the confidence to eat and talk normally again without worrying about slippage or sore spots. Application process. In terms of application, many found it pretty straightforward. The kit includes a powder and liquid that you mix together, apply to your clean dentures, and then fit in your mouth to mold it to your gums. The whole process takes about 10 to 15 minutes, and the instructions, while not perfect, are generally easy to follow if you go step by step. The downsides. That said, not everyone had a perfect experience. One of the most common complaints is about the taste and smell of the material during the application process. Many users say it has a strong chemical-like taste, although most admit it fades after a few hours or after the first day. Still, it's something to keep in mind if you're sensitive to that kind of thing. Another issue some people ran into is the consistency of the mix. If you don't get the powder-to-liquid ratio exactly right, it can come out too runny or too thick, which affects how well the reline holds up. Some users had to use both applications just to get one good fit, which makes the kit a bit less cost-effective. Durability and lifespan. On the topic of durability, results vary. Some users reported the reline lasted for up to a couple of months, especially if they were gentle with cleaning and avoiding really hot or sticky foods. Others, however, found the material started to peel or wear off within a week or two, especially with daily use and frequent soaking. So while it's marketed as a temporary solution, the lifespan really depends on your habits and how well you apply it. Who should buy this? What's worth noting is that many users said they keep 1 or 2 of these kits at home, even after visiting the dentist, just in case they need a quick reline between professional visits. It's also a popular option for people waiting for new dentures or going through the healing period after extractions, where frequent relining is often needed. Final verdict. So, to wrap it all up, the Dentemp Denture Reline Kit is a solid temporary fix for loose dentures. It's affordable, fairly easy to use, and can significantly improve comfort if you apply it correctly. But it's not a permanent solution, and the results can be hit or miss depending on your technique. If you need a quick fix and you're okay with a bit of trial and error, this might be just what you need to get through until your next dental appointment. If you found this tutorial helpful, please make sure to like the video and subscribe to our channel for more content like this. Thanks for watching.